Here's a simple looking algebra question that quicker than its steps. So let's solve this step by step with full explanation. So AB is 10, BC is 20, AC is 30, then find A plus B plus C. So I'm consider these as equation number 1, equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Now I'm going to multiply all three equations. So AB times BC times CA is equals to 10 times 20 times 30. So it becomes A square, B square, C square is equals to 6000. So we can write this as ABC whole square is equals to 6000. Now ABC is equals to under square root 6000. Which I can write it as 100 times 60 and 100 is 10 square. So 10 root 60, the value of A, B, C. Now we have given AB is equals to 10 from equation number 1. So from where I can write B is equals to 10 by A and AC is equals to 30. So C is equals to 30 by A. Now we can put the value of B 10 by A and C 30 by A in the second equation. BC is equals to 20. So 10 by A times 30 by A is equals to 20. So this becomes 300 by A square is equals to 20. A square is equals to 300 by 20. So A square is equals to 15. A is equals to under square root 15. Now we can find the value of B and C from there. B is equals to 10 by A. That is 10 by root 15. Now C is equals to 30 by A. So 30 by root 15. Now we have to find A plus B plus C. That is root 15 plus 10 by root 15 plus 30 by root 15. So it's root 15 plus LCM is root 15 and 10 plus 30 is 40. So it becomes root 15 here and here, 15 plus 40, which is 55 by root 15. Now I'm going to eliminate the root 15 from denominator by multiplying by root 15 in numerator as well as denominator. So it becomes 55 root 15 by 15, which is 11 root 15 by 3. So did you expect that answer? So let me know in the comments if you got it before me. If you enjoy this type of tricky algebra question, don't forget to like, subscribe and share more for more problem solving steps. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.